So there has been riots recently in Nagpur, some Hindu-Muslim, because of the tomb demolition, it has started. But if you see, look, these are normal things, the Desai and all this, the guard and all, these are normal things in life. These are normal situations. But the riots which have happened in Nagpur, before that there were masjid demolitions. Before that there was my house. Before that there was a rivalry between Hindu and Muslim. It has started. And JB and Maratha as well. And everything is getting demolished except that Siddharth residency. Siddharth residency from Chembur West. It was allotted to the people living there, and the builder sold it, and what do you call it? The local politicians, he must have got paid. Who can do this without him? So, a scammer, the neighbor Patil's daughter, her husband lives in Siddharth residency. Somewhere in 2021, he took a flat there. After typing the data. So, what if the group, the land server group, is one of them then? So, over that, that's an illegal place. It's supposed to be demolished. And over that, they have, if it's there, he is a part of that group. Look, Patil's daughter keeps on troubling me. That means all the three of them keeps on troubling me. That means he is a part of that group. Siddharth residency, living in Siddharth residency. And that Siddharth residency, there might be a group, right? And it's illegal. Started this Hindu-Muslim thing, and masjids got demolished. And Siddharth residency, nothing happened to it. It's illegal. It was allotted to the people living there. Those guys must be having the stolen drives, and they sold the drives. The land server details are right there. I'll drop it. I'll drop it in the comment. So Siddharth residency is not getting demolished, but masjids are getting demolished. Got demolished actually. And there was a demand of tomb as well. And it caused in riots. Nagpur people lost a lot of property. No one knows the real cause. And the real cause is those files. And files are getting viral. Files are, in time, they are getting viral. The publisher, whoever sends the publishing date, send the file, and what do you call it? Let them do the file forensics. Who is the author? Let everyone know. Let everyone know. That's the main reason for the riots, these riots. The publisher should get the send the file to everyone. Let there be a file forensics. There is a what do you call it? It's a thing there called format. First, you have to write the author's name. I have to follow that format of SWA. You will get the file forensics. Ask them to send the files. Files in Lenovo, they were typed in 2021. And the drives are stolen. Let them do the file forensics, creation date and everything. What if the scammers are living in Siddharth residency which is illegal, and they created race riots. And it's not getting demolished, and masjids got demolished. My house got demolished. So let them do the file forensics. Drives are changed. Creation date till file forensics. Let everyone get it done. Don't provide the file forensics. Only provide the file. Everyone will take the burden of file forensics. Author's name will pop up. Hindu and Muslims both should get those files. Let them know the real cause of riots. Who created this Hindu-Muslim thing? Nagpur people lost a lot of property. Hindus. And Muslims lost their masjid. I lost my house. Let both of them, that's why the file should get viral in every state. Every minister should have it. Let there be a file forensics. And the real cause of Hindu-Muslim riots is this, the LAN server. I'm dropping it. And those files.